Ooh, let's check out the mountain. What's going on up here, mountain? Hear all the birds. Look at that. Sun's starting to... It's just incredible. Oh, I just got this tapestry and it's tangled. Ow, the light. Oh, should I take you in the forest? Let's go in the forest. Let's see what's up. I had to take a couple of tapestries down though. And we have to still fix the lights a little bit, but they look pretty amazing. Thank you, Sally's friend, Alex. This is the jellyfish. Jellyfish, jellyfish. This is the nature art walk. That's what's happening. Let's start this way. What do you see over there? Oh, I see an eagle. I got these UV activated. We gotta fix these, but UV activated light ones. But I just got here. The lion one. I haven't put it up yet. It requires a different type of lighting. Persistence. Hey, persistence. Ooh, this one. Look at these colored lights. Ah! Wow. That makes it such a happy forest, and all the pathways are cleaned up now. He came and got a chainsaw and cleaned it all up. Because we had violent storms out here last year, and yeah. This is one of my favorites. Especially the way the light hits it. Cool, huh? Let's check out this way. I had a really cool tapestry over there, but it was kind of falling down, so I took it off. Yeah. It's cool, huh? Here, I'll take you through the forest, into the water. Oh, it's like one of my favorite spots. Meditation point. Ouch. I call it the tree bridge. Just got poked. It's a good thing I got the zebra onesie on. Doesn't hurt as bad. Oh. Yes. Good morning. All the elements. Good freaking morning. Had an herbalist come out here yesterday teaching me about what's around. Really want to get into making stuff with plants, specifically lavender. I'll start teaching kids about lavender. Yeah, and I need to start foraging. There's so many huckleberries and other berries. So yeah, this is a nature walk, nature art walk. Got all the pathways cleared. Oh, makes my heart smile. Tell ya. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. It just looks like it's on fire, but it's not on fire. Holy moly. Yeah. Let's go check it out. I haven't been down here in a while. some ideas for how everyone that's watching this video could be foxgulls. Could connect out here in a really cool way. So, oh yeah. Ow! Oh! Poked me. Bumbleberries. Yep. I didn't know what they were before. They come pretty quick and then they go. Oh, I could take you. That's Stellar Jays. I've been calling them Blue Jays this whole time. I mean, it's still in the family, but it's incorrect. Well, that's too dry. Let's go check out Huckleberry Grove and see if there's some huckleberries. And also, I finally have signs put up. Thank you, Nick, for putting signs up for me. Finally. Where's our snow trail? I think it's over here. It's because we saw snails out here and we named it after our buddy. It's the perfect spot, really. Our buddy Gary Snell. Love you, Gary. You're in a great spot, my friend. It'll take a minute to honor him. Okay. But look at persistence. Oh, my heart. Almost a Huckleberry Grove. Okay, twisting you back around. I got another hummingbird feeder. Huckleberry Grove. Oh, yes. Why, hello. May I have some of you for some nutrition today? Thanks. My friend Jessa said when you take from the plants, you have to thank them. It's all about intention. I mean, yeah. Look at them. They're ready. Eating them. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is Prison Point. This is where it comes to a point right here. Prison Point. Brett Lane did these signs. I love this area right here. They're super mossy. Super soft. It's wet, right? I think it's always a little damp out here. But, and I'm in my onesie, so it's fine. But I like to lay down and, like, meditate. Right here. In the mossy area. Pretty yummy. Well, hope everybody has a good weekend.